Hello, Tommy Olsson here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a automated email with Hubspot. Not how Hubspot is free to use. And here's the dashboard, and first we go to marketing. And go to email. Now I click this little wheel here to get to these 6 sections about footer, branding and personalization, but it's important that you edit the footer and enter your contact details, because you need to do that to follow international laws and so on, so that your email isn't regarded as spam. So fill in all of these and then hit save. So there's my details, and then you hit the save button. Then you just click on confirm. There are 3 ways to create your automated emails. You can use the standard basic editor, you can use the drag and drop editor, or you can use workflows. When you have automated email, that's very beneficial when you use workflows. But I'm going to show you now how to do this. So here I've gone back to the marketing email page, and to create the first email you click this button. Now here's all the different designs that you can use as a free member. You can also upgrade if you want to do that, but choose just one. I'm going to choose this welcome email. By clicking this in this email here, you can edit the text and remove text if you want to change it any way you want, but you can click on the company logo if you don't want to have it there, then just remove it. You can change the text like I said. And as you can see at the footer, you can see my contact information, so on. Then you want to go into settings to choose who it's from and things like that. From name, it's my name. You can mark that so they have this, my email address, to reply to. And the subject line there, you can preview, you can personalize it. And subscription type, in this case it's marketing and information, but you can use the drop down menu to check all subscriptions and so on. Then you click on send or schedule. And you can choose which one to send it to, and here you can schedule for later. And as a free member of Hubspot, you can only send to 2,000 a month. But anyway, you can use the email to send the automated email, of course. If you want, you can review and schedule it. As I just made this account to show you this demo tutorial, then I have no recipient. Now I showed you how to create an email and send it with the basic editor. I think I stopped the video here. I'm not going to show the drag and drop. I may do it in another video. But I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, feel free to like it and subscribe. If you want to get access to a platform with HubSpot already installed, and where you can create your own websites of any type you want to sell your own products and so on, and get the great WordPress blogs, then click the link below for a 14-day free trial. And thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.